in the world happened? The scale is just a reflection of what you're doing to your body. So that means whether it's good or bad. So if you're eating dirty, the scale is going to reflect that. If you're eating clean, the scale is going to reflect that. If you are working out a lot, the scale is going to show you something different than what you are expecting, because weight loss is different from body recomp. So you got to understand that. I have to understand that. So let's go ahead and get right into this video of my Zepbound update and what the scale did to me. But before we even do that, I'll check you out in a second because your girl got to go to work. Okay? Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you are not new. And my doctor was out of office, so I do not have an update on when I'm going to get my 5 milligrams, and I do not have an update of when the authorization is going to be approved. All right, so I have about another week and a half before the authorization ends. So I guess maybe next week we will get into this whole thing, okay? Maybe next week I'll have more of an update. Today's Thursday. You know I do my videos a day early so it can be posted at 9 a.m. on Fridays. So tomorrow is when I do plan on taking the injection. I'm no longer going to take it on a Saturday, so instead of it being 14 days, it's going to be 13 days since I'm taking it a day early. Let's go ahead and get into the fitness, girl, because last week I was 136 pounds. Well, this week I'm 140. What in the world happened? Why did I gain 4 freaking pounds? Why? I don't understand it. But then again, I believe I understand it. I think I know what happened, but I want you to hear me out, listen to my story, and you let me know in the comment section, like, what happened? Okay? Because last week I did 3 days of strength training just on my glutes, and then I just walked. Still end up losing 1 pound. Okay. Mind you, I did not take the injection last week. It was the week before that. So this week I decided I wanted to challenge myself, okay? I was like, you know what, let me increase my steps. Instead of just doing the bare minimum of 8,000, let me increase it, you know? And I'm not going to tell you the number because I have a special video that I want to share with you. So just be on the lookout, because I am going to put the premiere out maybe Saturday, so, or Sunday, whichever one of those two. But I wanted to do a little bit more, because when you want change, doing the bare minimum is not going to cut it. I'm already eating healthy, and the injections is helping with that. So it's like I need to change my body. So I've said before that I need to do a body recomp, because you know I have loose, I wouldn't say loose skin, but it's just saggy skin, because I still have some fat pockets that I need to tone up. So I wanted to increase my workout. So I increased my steps, and I increased the amount of days that I do resistance training. So that means, well, only 1 extra day I did. So by it being Thursday, I'm just going to do cardio today. But I did my glute workouts, and then I did upper body strength training on Tuesday. Yeah, that's when I got on the scale, and I noticed that it went up to 140 pounds. Another thing that I felt like contribute to the increase of my weight gain, I would say it's because of water weight. I've been feeling a little bloated. No, I'm not on my menstrual, but I'm feeling bloated. The amount of fiber of putting into my diet, because I ran out of apples. I didn't have no more wheat bread. And those are like the main 2 items I like to add to my diet to keep me regulated. So I haven't been going to the bathroom like I should be going. And also I've been taking creatine. And I took creatine last week, but for whatever reason, I still ended up losing a pound. So I took creatine 3 days in a row this week. And we all know that if you don't know, creatine not only helps you with your performance when you are lifting weights, it draws water into your muscles and it just sits there, so it fills them up. My doctor does not like me taking creatine because he feels like it's just a bunch of water weight, and that's something that you don't want. But I want a body recomp, and he's like, you can body recomp without the creatine. So let me know in the comment section down below, have you been able to body recomp without creatine? So yeah, I think it's those factors. The fact that I have not been eating a lot of fiber, increase of workout and resistance training, and creatine. And then I'm bloated, maybe because the reason why I'm not really going to the bathroom. So I believe that's where all of that factor in. And what I wanted to say, like earlier when I made the little clip, because I was doing my makeup, and I was like, there's no reason to feel bad about the 4-pound weight gain. It's not like I gained 4 pounds of fat. I just gained 4 pounds of water. And I had to think about the different things that I added into my regimen, which probably contribute to the water gain. And I did the right things I needed to do in order to see change within my body and growth. And sometimes it's going to require you to gain a little bit of water weight, and then eventually it'll just come right back off. So it's not like I gained water weight because I was eating a bunch of carbs, or I was just eating a whole bunch of processed food, just being reckless with my diet and not working out. Because honey, when I tell you I've been burning off everything that I eat, let me just give you a little sneak peek of what I did. I've been doing 15K steps. Yes. So it ain't got nothing to do with my workout, because your girl has been burning the food, okay? Which is why I need to be on the 5 milligrams so I can eat more, because I'm burning more. Because if I'm eating less and burning more and more, I don't have anything in my body, okay? So I'm excited of my accomplishments. I'm not going to tell you everything else that I did because I want to save it for that video. But girl, it just feels good that I am showing, I don't know, this weight loss right here. I feel better when I get up in the morning. I feel better when I put my clothes on. I actually take time to put my outfits together. And right now, I'm just plain Jane. I just got on the tank top with this jacket and some blue jeans and some sandals. And it's like, I felt good today. Put on a necklace. And even though it was just laid back and casual, but it was me. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't just a baggy t-shirt and baggy jeans because my clothes are no longer fitting me. So I just have to say, like, from the inside out, I really do feel good. I take my time, you know, try to do my hair, try to do some edges, put my makeup on, and just feel good about myself. And I don't know, it's just one of those accomplishments that has been added to my weight loss journey, which now I can't even say weight loss journey anymore. It's more of a fitness journey that I am on. So yeah, girl, I just feel so good. Oh my gosh, I got my mascara. I've already met my weight loss goal, and I was only 1 pound away from my second weight loss goal, which is 135. It just kind of threw me for a loop because I really wanted to hit the 135. But when you are increasing your workout regimen, there's a possibility of gaining some water weight. So I look forward to next week where I'm able to just share whatever else that may happen, because I may end up dropping that water weight and then more, or I might just drop 2 or 3 pounds of that, and that will still be okay. Now, if I gain more, then something is wrong here, okay? But I'm still gonna continue to reassess and document what is going on with my body, because I don't know, maybe my menstrual is about to come on and just don't even realize it, because it's been a little wacky for the past month or so. I literally had a menstrual cycle back to back, 3 weeks apart instead of 4 weeks. So you just, you know, you never know. And then I did just recently got my IUD replaced. So that there's a lot that's going on here, but I just wanted to share that with you about my updates. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on, because this weekend I'm dropping 2 videos. I'm just letting you know I'm dropping 2 because I have been batch recording like crazy, and I'm dropping 1 on Saturday and 1 on Sunday. So have your post notifications on, gorgeous. Okay? Hey, I gained 4 pounds, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. But anywho, I'll check you out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.